Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 21st, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we had this impulsive down, we had this breaker structure. Now we have what looks like impulsive up and corrective sideways, which makes me think that we're going to see at least one more impulsive up, which I think is going to be the completion of an ABC. I think this is an A. I think we're in a B, C, a B, and I think eventually on the daily it will go down to make a bigger wave C like that. Now, keeping all this in mind because it's extremely important on the sort of time frames, you take it down to the 1 hour. So if that is correct, then this is actually potentially a 1, 2, 3, and it's just going to keep on going up back towards these highs. But I do have my Fibonacci retracement out here because honestly, this is looking a little more like an ABC than a 1, 2, 3. So if it does turn to the downside very aggressively at a Fibonacci level, then maybe you could take it as a short. I personally am only looking for longs because of the daily and weekly. But if it makes an ABC up to a Fib level and turns down, it probably will at least go down and take out the previous lows. I would bet that it's more than likely not a ABC, but it's actually a 1, 2, 3, and we're forming that ABC of B pattern that I showed on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.